This comprehensive digital photography online course is ideal for those who want to understand the technical aspect of photographing with a digital camera. You will learn correct photography exposure in terms of light sensitivity, a light-sensitive surface, light metering, and qualities of light. The digital photography course is suitable for those who want to understand how today's photographic area works and capture images. Learning outcomes. By the end of the course, you will master the photography materials, equipment, and processes of the discipline, use of cameras, film, lighting, printing, wet, hybrid, and digital. Develop skills to use digital photography tools and the internet, such as emailing and posting to a website. Understand the advanced digital and analog camera operations such as formats, photographic exposure, depth of field, and shutter speed. Ability to control both natural and studio lighting with emphasis on the quality, quantity, and direction of light. Learn how to plan, organize, edit, and evaluate a professional quality portfolio of photographic work. Why choose this course? Accredited by CPD. Endorsed by Quality License Scheme. Accredited by the International Practitioners of Holistic Medicine, IPHM. Eligibility to apply for the insurance. Lifetime access. High-quality e-learning study materials. Self-paced, no fixed schedules. 24/7 customer support through email. Available to students anywhere in the world. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of essential photography tools, techniques, technologies, and processes to work from ideation to execution. So, what are you thinking about? Start getting the benefits by enrolling today.